Video number 9. All about Dogecoin. An obsession for Dogecoin is developing in the crypto world, which was started as a joke, but now has become the crypto star of the future. Every person in some way or the other is talking about Dogecoin. Let's find out in this video the nitty-gritty of Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer open-source cryptocurrency much like an altcoin of Bitcoin that provides its users a completely unknown, decentralized, and secure environment that is free from any third-party interference when it comes to transactions. How was Dogecoin started? Two software engineers, IBM engineer Billy Marcus and Adobe engineer Jackson Palmer, created Dogecoin on the 6th of December 2013. It was started as a joke for leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, inspired by the popular Doge meme with the picture of Shiba Inu. But it became an instant hit after that, and today Dogecoin's value is around $45 billion in the crypto market. Rise of Dogecoin. In 2013, Dogecoin became very popular among the community of people who just wanted to play around with cryptocurrencies freely. Later, internet forums like Reddit and Dogecoin started rewarding Dogecoin to their content creators, making Dogecoin surge the trading value of other cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin in 2014. After that, the founder of SpaceX, Elon Musk, the most prominent follower of Dogecoin, frequently started tweeting about a faux Doge magazine cover, which led to the rise of the price of this meme cryptocurrency. How does Dogecoin work? Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that, like other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, runs on blockchain technology. All the users of the Dogecoin network have a digital wallet that consists of two keys, a public key and a private key. One can request a transaction with another person by knowing their wallet ID and public key. Once the request for a transaction is made, the application alerts all the Dogecoin miners worldwide to proceed further with the process. The Dogecoin miners validate whether the sender has enough Dogecoins to make the payment or not, and after the validation process, they approve the transaction request. Meanwhile, Dogecoin miners worldwide compete to collect all the pending transaction data known as the nonce. The miners then apply a mathematical function to produce the correct hash number for that particular nonce of the pending transaction. They reward the miner who successfully produces the correct hash number with 25 Dogecoins in his account. After that, both the users get a confirmation message that it has approved their request for the transaction. And within a few minutes, the requested amount of Dogecoin is credited into the receiver's wallet, and thus the transaction is complete. How can you buy Dogecoin? So to buy Dogecoin, you will have to follow a few steps. Step 1. Open a digital wallet with any of the perfect applications for trading cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Register your account. Step 3. Complete your profile KYC by providing your identity and address proof. Step 4. Add your bank details. Step 5. Secure your account by creating a convenient trading PIN that is only accessible by you. Step 6. And there you go. Now you can start trading. Pros of Dogecoin. Faster confirmation time for completed transactions. The transaction fee for Dogecoin is meager. The Dogecoin network has a devoted and friendly community of creators and followers. Dogecoin's comparatively low value helps many social platforms to pay their content creators and can also be used as a gaming currency. It is widely accepted. Cons of Dogecoin. The mining of Dogecoin is non-profitable because its value is relatively low, and it deals with a large number of coins. Dogecoin is an inflationary currency that limits the potential of Dogecoin as a means of investment. It has a limited functionality, like no smart contracts. Dogecoin buying options are minimal. For instance, Coinbase doesn't support Doge. It is considered less secure compared to other top cryptocurrencies. Uses of Dogecoin. Today, many companies and firms like restaurants, grocers, web hosting, product retailers, e-book sellers, and travel services use Dogecoin for transactions. These are a few examples of companies in every sector that use Dogecoin. For example, Monster Meg, Playhub Casino, Prodigy, and Flockanet are among a few top companies that use Dogecoin. In this video, you saw what Dogecoin is, its concepts, how you can buy it, and the pros and cons of the Dogecoin network. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.